Terri-Ann here, your parts representative from Sicard RV. We are open and we are so excited to see you in store for these great deals. The first item we're going to talk about today is the Napoleon Scissor Cart Barbecue. It comes with cast iron grills and also comes with a griddle plate and an adaptation kit to fit right into your camper. For easy storage in the trailer with just pulling the handle and rolling down. The next thing we're going to talk to you about is the Hyundai 3800 generator. It comes with remote start, pulse start, only weighs 98 pounds. If you check out the side here, it comes with easy 30 amp access as well as 110. It also has a USB charging port for when you run out of juice on your phone. Keep your generator in pristine condition with the cover. The perfect finishing touch to your campsite is our Big Dog bucket chairs. They come in red, camel, and black. So come on in and pick yours up today. So head on into our parts store Monday through Saturday, 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. and we'll be glad to help you out.